Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 9X Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that, as an example, you don't know the combination to. So let me quickly lock the device, and you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't actually know it. So to start off, hold power key, select power off, and when the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up. Both of the keys at the same time, so power and volume up. And when you see the Honor logo, we can let go. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. So from here, all you need to do is simply tap on Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm it by typing in yes, so YES, like so, and choose Wipe Data Factory Reset once more, and then once more the same thing. This will begin removing all the data from the device. This part only takes a couple of seconds, so it should be done in like 5 to 10 more seconds. There we go. So as you can see, once it's finished, it will take you back to this page right here. So all you need to do now is tap on Reboot System Now, and this will now reboot the device, and also it will continue the process in the background. So this will take a little bit longer for the device to boot back up, but once it's finished, it will then boot up into the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.